In order to change the price of your Game Pass on Roblox mobile, make sure to open up the app and make sure you are signed in. Then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says more. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see the option that says create. Afterwards, what you want to do is you want to go to the top left, select on these three bars, then go ahead and select on creations just like so. Now you want to go ahead and select on the experience where your Game Pass is located in. And if you only have one experience like me right over here, then you're good to go. You just want to go ahead and click on it. It's typically going to be in the default one. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this experience right over here. All right, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top left one more time, select on these three bars again, and then this time what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see this section that says monetization. And underneath here, you'll see this option that says passes. Go ahead and click on it. And then over here, it is going to give you a list of all of your different Game Passes. From here, select on the Game Pass that you want to change the price of. Then it is going to open up something that looks like this. And in order to change the price, you need to go to the top left one more time, press on these three bars, then go ahead and select on sales. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and change the price. So you can change it to basically whatever you see fit. And then after you made the necessary changes, then all you want to do is you want to press on save changes and you're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.